Another question I get asked all the time is, are double pane windows worth it? And again, I like to explain the difference between between double pane, or single pane, double pane, and triple pane, and what that actually means. So just a simple test that we've done in the past. You can take a flashlight, shine it through. You see two beams of light, so you got a double pane window. Because sometimes you might be living in your house and be like, oh yeah, I got triple pane windows. The realtor told me I got triple pane windows. Take a flashlight, shine it through, you might have double pane. So what that means is you have a pane of glass, and then you have a gap, which is usually sealed with like an argon gas, some sort of inert gas to create an added R value, and then another pane of glass. When you add on a triple pane, then you add in another layer of gas, and then another pane of glass. Gas, glass, let's not confuse those two words, but that's what creates that triple pane. So it thickens, makes the space thicker, which adds more insulation. It keeps things a lot more comfortable, way more comfortable. When you just have the double pane, you have a lot of issues with condensation. Obviously, if you have single pane, then you're living in the Stone Age. Forget about you. You're definitely upgrading, but you're going to be going triple pane because you want that added comfort. And we see all the issues with the double panes coming out today. So I think triple pane is the only way to go. But that's kind of the simple test to that. What you got, double pane or triple pane. And what I prefer is going to be triple pane every single time, just based on the investment that you're making, the money that you're spending. It's better to spend a little bit more money and get the triple pane and keep things a lot more comfortable, and you're not going to have those issues like you are replacing the windows for.
So the answer is no.
The answer is no, double pane windows are not worth it. These are no good, they're garbage.